Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Wednesday, December 18th, and I bring to you my 2009 Audi A4 2.0 Quattro. So we're going to be changing the air filters today. I'm not sure what the condition is of it. I also just recently changed the oil. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video of it, but I do got a new oil filter in there. So the air filter is held in by, let's see, 1, 2, 3, looks like one down there, 4, 5, 6, 6 Torx 30 bolts, and I got a correct part on there. So I'm gonna remove those, and then we'll check out the air filter. So let me come right back to this. And just a little pro tip: to reach this last bolt here, this Torx bolt, you're gonna want to undo the air hose with a flathead screwdriver. And then there's a bolt here, that one right there, that might be hard to access. And I took another different kind of Torx screwdriver, I don't know what you want to call it, but basically a Torx bolt wrench, and then loosened it there. So we'll check out the air filter next. So here we have it. It's a pretty large and long air filter. So I'm going to carefully remove this. Not sure how nasty it is. And yeah, it's pretty bad, I'd say. So good thing I'm replacing it. So the new one is actually coming in UPS today. So basically I wanted to take this out. I'm not going to be driving anywhere today. I'm going to clean this out and get it all the leaves out and stuff. And then when I get the new one in, I'll continue this video. Yo, what's going on, guys? It is late at night. UPS delivered really late. So I got the new air filter. I got the inside of the air box cleaned up. I'm going to get it installed and get everything buttoned up. And then I'll give her a start, make sure there's no check engine light. So here we go. Oh, and I got a different Torx socket wrench to use now. There's a smaller one. That's going to be a little bit more easier to navigate those tight clearances. Alright, guys, I think that wraps up. I got everything buttoned up. There was a bolt here, a Torx bolt under this air filter hose that was really hard to get to. But I finally got it. It took me time to slowly ratchet it in. But everything's good to go. I'm going to get her started, make sure there's no check engine lights, and then I think we're good to go. So I'll see you in the car. Alright, guys, I got it started up. Everything's good and clear. No check engine lights. Everything's good, running good. And then I call it a night now. And then stay tuned for the next video. So thanks for watching, and peace out. And then enjoy your day. Or in this case, enjoy your night, because I'm going to sleep. Peace out.